All right, and welcome to Module 1, the last video. This is your action task. Now, every single module is going to end with an action task, and it's very important that I do not want you to proceed until the next module, until you complete the action task, okay? That's how you're gonna get the best results if you follow this course step by step. If you do what is really assigned as the work for each module, it'll give you the best chances of succeeding. If you just go through and watch all of the content that I put out for you, I'm sure you're still gonna learn a lot, but you're not gonna get the results. So please do not move forward until to module 2 until you complete the action task. So at this point, we've covered pricing, we've covered target demographics, we've covered brand loyalty. I think you should have a good foundation now for what it is you're looking for. But now I really want you to go ahead and start actually writing down at least 50 niche ideas. And I say at least 50 because some people do struggle with this at first. And I'm going to list some more resources below this training that will help you, some different links to hopefully just, keep moving in the right direction in case you get lost. But I want you to write down at least 50 niche ideas before moving to module 2. So that is the action task for this module. Okay. And let me show you how we do this. So right now I have Google Drive open, very simple Google Sheet. I recommend you create one of these. Google Sheets is basically a free version of Excel. You could find it by going to Google Drive, just search Google for Google Drive, make a free account, and it lets you create these spreadsheets. And what's great about them, the reason I use them so much in my business is because it's all based online. So I used to be a huge fan of Excel and I have tons and tons of spreadsheets. But the problem with that is if you're at the office on your computer or then you're on your phone or you're on your laptop, they're not all connected. But if you use Google Sheets, which again is totally free, all this information is accessible through your email address. So you can get it no matter where you are. So basically, this is what, let me scroll back here. Basically, this is what I want you to do in Google Sheets. Create a simple sheet with 4 different columns. The first one is niche, second is average price, the third is demographic, the fourth is brand loyalty. Now, we're not gonna touch these 3. We're only gonna focus on the first one for your action task, okay? All I want you to do before moving on to module 2 is focus on this first column and list down at least 50 niche ideas. Now, don't worry, again, if the price is right yet, if the demographic is right, if brand loyalty is right. That's something that we're going to discover and we're going to work through together in module 2. But for now, I just want you to create a sheet like this and write down all of your ideas. So, for example, maybe you would have, stand-up paddle boards that I showed you in the course. Maybe you would have the wall lights. Maybe you would have the the flooring. Maybe you would have a mirror, and then maybe you'll have some ones that aren't great as well, but you just want to list as many as possible. So go down, make a list, try to get creative here, and really yes, write the first 50 that come to mind, but also go through the previous video that I put up that walks you through ways to get ideas, and really try to get creative as possible because you do want to think outside of the box. Obviously, we're not the only people starting e-commerce businesses, and there are a ton of good opportunities that you might not be able to think of, just by writing down 50 ideas fast. So get to at least 50, hopefully more, and then you can go ahead and proceed. Now, as always, if you have any questions on this module or what the action task is, or if you get held up at any point in module 1's action task, please just comment below this video or post on the forum, fastbusinessforum.com. Again, I'm there to help, my team's there to help, and so are all of our other members. So any questions, reach out. And if not, go ahead, write down at least 50 niches in a Google Sheet, and then move on to module 2, which is all about market research, okay? I will see you there.